In an earlier video, linked somewhere up here, we discussed 5 things a starting entrepreneur or business owner must do in order to guarantee the success of their brand. They were simple and overlooked steps, but I believe strongly in them and hope they'll give your business idea the fortitude it needs. These hands, they move. But that was an earlier video. Today's video is covering another, though related, idea and is designed for people who are searching for successful and remote business ideas for 2022. I suspect you are one of these people, so let's give you what you came here for. Now, there are a lot of businesses that can be started from home this year, but I have isolated 10 that aren't geo-specific and can be done no matter where you are in the world. Simply put, if you're watching from the Caribbean, Asia, North or South America, Oceania, Europe, and or Africa, you can start any of these suggested businesses. Sounds good so far? Awesome! Are you ready then? I bet you are. So, here are 10 businesses you can start from home this year, no matter where you live in the world. Business 1, tutorship. Specifically, a business that offers online tutoring services. Business number 2, coaching and consultancy. This can be in the area of social media, lifestyle, business, or finance. Business 3, web development companies. This type of business builds and sells websites, either the coded kinds or the ones built from pre-made templates. Business number 4 is an affiliate marketing business. Business number 5 is a social media marketing agency. This and affiliate marketing businesses are relatively self-explanatory business types, so I won't comment on them today. So please forgive me if you had particular interests in these. Business number 6 is a graphic design business. Besides the visual concepts that are created by these companies to communicate information, i.e., through a logo, billboard, poster, etc., I think it would be nice to include photography and videography services as well with this type of business. Business number 7 is a drop shipping company. In this case, you can allow your third party source to be Amazon and become an Amazon reseller. Business number 8 is an ad agency. For this type of business, you can sell Facebook and Google ad services to micropreneurs who have this skill gap among their employees. And business number 9 is a web hosting company, the reseller's approach. More specifically, SiteGround and GoDaddy are the renowned hosting companies that I know offer inclusive reseller packages. And by inclusive, I mean that it can be done wherever you are in the world. I'm most pleased by GoDaddy's and will speak about theirs only. The reseller package they sell is relatively inexpensive and customizable. The customization takes time, however, and I'm happy to do a video on how to do it if you want help in doing so. No one can deny how ugly the default website is for the product, and I would highly recommend that you make changes to improve the branded and professional look it gives. And business number 10 is an e-learning platform or marketplace like Udemy. Through this type of business, your brand will become one of the many open online course providers. That was a mouthful. If you have a subject matter you are versed in, create an e-learning platform and get others to come on board to teach there. You can make your own e-learning website, or you can hire companies like Carry Eviz Digital Solutions to do the work for you. If you are interested in learning how to build your own e-learning website and would like me to do a video on it, please let me know in the comments below. Now, for those of you who have little to invest initially into a remote business, please note that of the 10 suggestions, 6 don't require capital to start but will need capital to scale and grow. These 6 are: 1. Tutorship. For this to be free, and please note the air quotes because nothing in life is truly free, you might have already seen that all these suggested businesses require internet and electricity, neither of which are free anywhere in the world. So free is relative. But to make this business as inexpensive as possible, you can use a free Zoom account to host your classes and can acquire students through word of mouth or your socials. Coaching and consultancy is another of the options that can be made inexpensive, and it can be made inexpensive through the same means I described under tutorship. 3. Now, number 3 has four options, and that's where our 6 comes in. So number 3, okay, are you ready? A web development company, ad agency, social media marketing agency, and graphic design business can be inexpensive through building a Google My Business account and website. I have 2 shorts that show the power of this tool, that is Google My Business. The word of mouth approach to lead acquisition is an option here, but a preferred method is joining groups your target market are in and offering value among them. This latter approach will give you qualified leads and customers. And there you have it, 10 businesses you can start from home in 2022, 6 of which are inexpensive to begin. If you need help with any of them, or you want videos on how to do one or more of them, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.